when your heat pump and air handler are 30 years old, you call an HVAC guy? I don't think so. What, you just want to hear how much it is going to cost to replace the unit? I jumped the board real fast, my handy dandy jumper wire, and realized that it wouldn't call unit to kick on for heat or air. Board later, back in business. Also, when you got guests at your house and the heat ain't working, you would hope that they would let you know before they reset your thermostat for you. And you go through the troubleshooting a thermostat before you even get to the heat.